Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Sonos Beam to Samsung TV in 2026. So first of all, you need to start by checking the TV ports. Your Sonos Beam connects it using the HDMI ARC or eARC, which is the best option. So on your TV, you just have to simply look for the HDMI port that is labeled as ARC or eARC. When you are able to find it, you need to plug the one end of the HDMI cable into the Sonos Beam, and you need to plug the other end into the ARC port on your Samsung TV. Now this allows both the audio and the control through one cable. If your TV doesn't support HDMI ARC, then you can use the optical adapter as an alternative. Now, when you have connected both of these via the HDMI ARC port or HDMI cable, you just have to go to the Samsung settings. Now, inside the settings, look for the option of sound output. Now, you need to select the option of HDMI ARC or receiver. Also, enable the AnyNet Plus so that your TV can control your soundbar. After that, simply open your Sonos application as well. Then follow further on-screen instructions in order to set up your Beam and connect it to your Wi-Fi. The app will guide you through the final audio setup, and the setups would be very easy. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.